Hello and welcome to this next episode in Decisioning's Executive Education Series for Data and Analytics. My name is Tony Butler and I'm the Director for Sales and Marketing here at Decisioning in Australia. Today we're going to speak briefly about the Enterprise Data and Analytics Framework. This is used to describe the types of capabilities that are required in an organisation to make use of data and analytics. We're also going to talk about the different types of analytics that can be employed in an organisation to extract value from your data. Let's start with the framework. The framework has 5 component parts, the first being the overall organisational strategy and vision. The data strategy typically forms part of the digital strategy or IT strategy and is developed in the context of the overall business strategy. The data strategy is there to support strategic initiatives to either drive efficiency and optimize business functions, or to grow revenue either organically or inorganically through new business models. The data, operations and management functions are the functions within the business responsible for managing, interpreting and presenting data. They are the processes within your organisation that are associated with data and analytics. The data platform are the systems and technologies, typically cloud-based, platform as a service or software as a service, that are used to capture, store, process, transform and visualize data. Underpinning all of this are the governance controls that are put in place to ensure that data is clean, secure, compliant to regulations, managed and relevant for your organisation. Critical to the effective execution of a data strategy is the underpinning enterprise culture. A mature organisation will strive to become a data-driven culture and may employ data literacy programs that are there to ensure that the organisation understands the value and function that data plays, that there's a consistent use of terminology, and that the supporting structure is in place to ensure the adoption and use of analytics to help the company make data-driven decisions. We've found that organisations who are most effective in the implementation of data change programs or analytics strategies have taken into consideration all 5 of these components within the Enterprise Data and Analytics Framework. Let's look now at the different types of analytics that can be applied in your organisation. I'm going to put this in an easy to understand context where looking at it through a lens from a sales management perspective. Firstly, descriptive analytics can help you understand what has happened in the past. Let's take the hypothetical example where our sales results for the last quarter were off target. Descriptive analytics will help you understand what has happened, i.e. give you an indication of how far off target you were and potentially when you were off target. If you're looking for more detail, however, it's important to try and understand why did that happen. In the same context of a sales management report, you might get some more detail through diagnostic analytics that helps you understand why that occurred. In this example, you might find that one region didn't contribute what it would typically contribute in that particular quarter. And as you drill down further into the diagnostic analysis, you might find that that region had lost a major client in that particular quarter. So both descriptive and diagnostic analysis is predominantly looking into the past and providing you an understanding of what's happened historically. As the organisational maturity in analytics evolves from basic analytics to more advanced analytics, we're then able to start looking ahead, and we can apply predictive and prescriptive analytics to try and better understand what could happen in the future. If we again apply the sales management model, a predictive model can look at forecasting likely outcomes. As an example, if we were to base our predictive model on historical sales trends, on a current sales pipeline and some of the demand trends in the market, we might be able to predict the next 3 months of sales results within a margin of error. Prescriptive analytics uses models where, by applying certain levers, you can identify what needs to occur in order to meet a particular objective. Again, applying the sales methodology, you could apply a prescriptive model to understand whether or not you are likely to hit your sales number if you are to hire additional 2 salespeople. Organisations that have adopted a mature data and analytics strategy may have a combination of all 4 types of analytics. Referencing back to the Enterprise Data Analytics Framework, in order to effectively deploy advanced analytics, both predictive and prescriptive, you may require additional capability within the organisation. Machine learning capability may need to be built into your technology and cloud platform, and a data science function may need to be established within your data operations and management. And ensuring that the organisation understands when and how advanced predictive and prescriptive analytics can be applied within a business context ensures that the best use of the investment in your platforms and your people can be made. I hope you found this episode of the Decision Inc. Data and Analytics Executive Education Series valuable. In the next episode, we're going to discuss the terminology used to describe data analytics technologies, processes and functions within your organisation. Stay tuned and we'll speak to you again soon.